Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing chicken breast. And as you all know, I've started my Ramzan series on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube. So stay tuned for new recipes. Now we'll go ahead with the ingredients here. I've taken 2 tablespoons of curd, quarter spoon of garam masala, half spoon of chili powder, half spoon pepper powder, salt as per taste. Now we'll be mixing all the ingredients together. So I've added curd first. To it I will add all the spices or the masalas. Now let us mix this well, and once we mix it we'll get a creamy texture and our marinade will be ready. Here it is. Now I've made a few cuts on the chicken breast so that it is marinated well and the masalas or the flavor is enhanced. I'm adding garlic ginger paste. I've taken 1 spoon and applying half spoon on each side. This is optional. Next we'll be applying the marinated masalas on both the sides, and make sure you also apply that really well into the cuts as well. Here it is. We'll apply that evenly. We'll just spread it on both the sides, and I'll be freezing this, or I'll just keep this in refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the flavors are marinated into the chicken. So we'll first subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button on so that every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. Now we'll go to the cooking process. I've taken 1 spoon of oil. I'm adding the chicken here. 1 spoon of oil should be enough to cook this. Now I'll cook this for 1 minute on each side to make sure it's cooked well, and it would just take about 5 minutes for us to cook the chicken. And cook it until the excess of water released from the chicken is observed so that we get the flavors. So our chicken is ready now. You can try this for your iftar. It will be very tasty. Now we'll just serve this into a plate. And while you're eating, make sure you add lemon to it. It will give you some additional flavors and that would taste really good. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.